Diggy diggy. Alright. Hey, welcome to my channel. I wanted to make a quick tutorial to explain how to make your own VPN. Now, I've been using many different VPN providers throughout the past couple of years. Proton VPN and Nord. I think I tried Express as well. Well, I tried those guys, and I was always just a little bit doubtful of their handling of my data, like if they logged anything. I know they say they don't, but I wanted to just figure out how it all works and take a look at it for myself. So I went online and figured out a way to do it. It's pretty simple, so I figured I'd share it with you guys. So first things first, you gotta go to the App Store. Go and search for Termius, Termius. It's a fantastic program. I'm going to start downloading that. While that's downloading, you can go over into your browser and you'll want to go to your AWS homepage. You can do that by making an Amazon account if you don't have one. You really need an Amazon account. And it's actually nice if you don't have one, because they'll give you like $300 in free credit when you first start up with them. So I highly recommend getting an AWS account. Once you do that, you're going to go up to Services and Compute. Then we're going to go to EC2. Alright, cool. Now we're going to go down here to Launch Instance. And we're going to give it a name. We'll call it VPN2. Perfect. And then we're going to go down here where it says Application and OS Images. And we're going to type in OpenVPN. Hit Enter. Give it a moment. It will load up. It just acts like it won't. And the very first one right there, OpenVPN Access Server, we'll select that. Then it's saying here for me it's going to be 2.3 cents an hour. Not too bad, I'm cool with that. And for some of y'all it'll be cheaper. It depends on your region and how you have your account set up. Also, if you got that free credit, that's like forever of using this. So continue with that. And yeah, I don't want to change your security group rules. It's okay. Agree to that. Now we're going to make a key pair. So right here, you'll want to click Create New Key Pair. It'll make you save a file. Save that to your... there's two different ways. You can do it OpenSSH or PuTTY. I think you'll want the PuTTY address, because you can copy paste the key out from your file explorer and then save it into Terminus. Anyways, for me, I'm going to go with Booty. Can't go wrong with Booty. Now, make sure all the traffic is allowed. It's got 8 gigabytes on one of their itty bitty computer things. Alright, looking nice. So we got everything in order, and we're going to launch our instance. Now, while it's launching its instance, let's go to openvpn.net. While you're over there, it has a button that says Create Account. Do that. Just follow through. It's all free and everything. You just need like your email. You can even make a new email and do that if you want. But once you do that, it'll have a homepage, and you'll see a spot where it says License Keys right here. So you'll click License Keys right here, and then you'll want to click Use Subscriptions. Once you do that, it'll take you to a page that has a private key. And I'm not going to click that because I don't want y'all to see it. But that's what you'll do. So keep that in mind and keep that tab open and keep that private key ready. Now we'll go back on over to Amazon. Successfully initiated the launch of our instance. That's fantastic. Now we're going to go view all of our instances. At this point you can see some of my other instances I've got in Ohio. Land of the brave. Now we're going to go click VPN2 right here, and we need to give it an elastic IP. So we're going to do that by going up to Actions, Network, Manage IP Address, and then Allocate an Elastic IP. Click that right there. Alright, awesome. And we'll just go ahead and allocate. Don't really worry about that. Now, after we allocate it, we're going to make sure we have it selected here again. We'll go up to Actions, and we're going to associate it. Now, at this point, all we got to do is select our instance, which is called VPN2. The reason we're doing this is because we want to have an IP address that doesn't change. So now we click Associate. Cool. Okay. So now that we have our IP address, we're going to just copy that and, let's split screen it. Why not? No. Let's go to it. I like the full screen. It's better. Now we're up here in Termius. Just opened it. So when, yours will be empty if you just downloaded it, but all you gotta do is go up here to the plus, hit new host. We'll give it a name real quick. VPN host name. Give it the IP address that we just copied. And then we'll go all the way down here to where it says key. We are gonna select booty because that's the one we selected before. And now we'll save that. And I'll click it. So this will be our first time going into this device. It's going to give us the EULA or some kind of agreement that we have to select through as we set it up. Oh man, come on. What's going on here? Disconnect this one. Wait, did I name it VPN or VPN2? I might have already had that in here actually. Hold up a second. Let me double check. Yes. Is that what did I just paste this IP? Yes, I did. Okay. I'm so sorry. If y'all just witnessed that, then you may have picked up on it before I did. But I did not name it VPN2. I named it VPN just like I already did there. So let me adjust this real quick. I'm sorry. I just want to rename it. So I don't get confused. And now we're gonna go. Now we're gonna go into there. And initially we'll have to sign in as root. There is no password. And we'll okay that. Wonderful. And like I was saying before, we're gonna have to accept a few things. Taking this thing's sweet time. Okay. So we'll agree to that. Oh, open. It wants us to log in as OpenVPNAS. OpenVPNAS. Okay. There we go. So it wasn't root. Before it was root. Now they wanted me to do it as OpenVPNAS. But either way, we'll agree to that. Oh, shit. Let's just exit out of here right now. Close that one and open that back up again. OpenVPNAS. Connect. Alright. we have to type in yes. Okay. Press enter for default. We will enter yes. Specify the network interface and IP addresses. Go with the default. Default ports. No, don't go too fast through this, guys, because we need to make sure that we stop. We're going to actually have to say no here in a second. Everything's okay. Here we go. Do you wish to log into the admin UI as OpenVPN? See, I don't think you guys do either. So let's say no. What should I be? Huh. I'll be hot potato. Hot potato. Potato. Hot potato. Okay, I like it. Nice, I got a good password and I got an awesome username. Now our activation key, please specify your activation key. Your activation key. Alright, so all you gotta do is go to the OpenVPN tab that I said earlier you wanted to keep open, copy that key, and then hit Command V, paste that right in right here. Okay, once you do that, now it's gonna start. Awesome. Ooh, super user in the user database. We're making some headway. Lots of headway. Alright. Let's just update this thing. What the heck? Oh wait, you gotta do everything sudo on this thing too. Anyways, now that that is running, we can go to Safari. Yeah, we'll go back to Safari. Okay, cool. Now we're going to go and copy our IP address again. And this time we're going to type it in directly into the search bar. So make sure you do this right. Just go HTTPS. Make sure there's an S there. And yeah, don't worry about the one that's autofilling. I don't use that. // Command V. And then /admin as in admin. Y'all know it. Hit enter. Okay. They'll never want you to go here. Nobody wants you to go here. But you're gonna go here. Visit the website. Alright, thanks Apple. We visiting or nah? What are you doing, computer? Thing, iPad. It's not letting me do it. It's actually not letting me do it. Okay, let's just reload this real quick. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. That was a little Safari glitch. It's because I'm using Safari, of course. But what are we? We're hot. P-O-T-A-T-O. Hot potato. And password. I'm good. Okay, now we got the EULA. Very, very fun read. Wow, that's impressive. I give up. Okay, wait, we made it. We read it. We'll agree. You don't have to scroll that, by the way. I just did it anyways. Now, you can enter your activation key here as well if you didn't do it before, if you just want to do it later. You didn't have to do the activation key, and I probably should tell everyone that, actually. But, yeah, just do it. Get the activation key. Anyways, once you're logged in to the front end of the Access server, all you're going to want to do is go down to where it says VPN settings. Oh, no, wait. Yeah, I think VPN settings. Yeah, go to VPN settings. And then here, see where it says routing? That's it. VPN settings and then routing. And then you'll go down to, see where it says should client internet traffic be routed through the VPN? You're going to switch that bad boy to yes. Slide on down and hit save settings. You're going to have to hit one other thing up here, this update running server. Okay. And now we have ourselves pretty much everything configured, almost. Now, another thing that you guys are all probably wondering about is the logs. Where are the logs? How do we stop the logging? And I tell you guys, it's really easy. See, I found this website here. You literally just type in this. For some reason it doesn't highlight properly. We'll see. Cron tab -E. This works. So we're gonna go to Termius right here, and we're gonna Command V that. It worked. Enter. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Sudo. You have to sudo everything on here. What is this doing? What is this saying? This doesn't have nano on it? Yes it does. Yes it does. Okay, thank god. Anyways, I didn't have to sudo it. Cool. So now we're gonna go scroll all the way down. One line further. See right there? Right after all these pound signs? Right here? All we're gonna do is go back to this website here. See where it says shell bin bash? All the way up to the end. Make sure you get it all. And we're gonna copy that. What this does is every night it will delete all of your logs except for the first 15, which isn't so bad because they're split up into small little files, and you can actually adjust the size of them as well, but you can also adjust the verbosity, but I think by default it's not gonna have anything to worry about. So we're in here and we'll Command V. Perfect. And then we're gonna have to hit the Control O, I believe. Yeah. Control O, write it, and then enter. Wrote 24 lines. Perfect. And then we hit Control X. Alright, so we just modified the system file that tells it when to, or how to clean itself up and stuff. Yeah. So now that we did that, we'll go back to Safari again, and we have set everything up on the VPN side. All we gotta do now is set it up for our devices. So for the iPad, all you'll want to do is I'll show you. See this IP address right here that we typed in previously, where we put admin in. All we're gonna do, instead of typing in admin, is type in https:// that same static IP address. There we go. Now we gotta log in again, so we'll put in hot POTATO. Oh no, why is it capital? You can't make sure it's case sensitive. It's like auto. Okay, and then password. Okie dokie. Now, see, this automatically should recognize, but for some reason it wants me to use the Apple thing on a Mac, but I'm on an iPad right now, so you should be too. So click the iOS button right here, and what it's going to do is have you download this program, OpenVPN Connect. Now, before you leave this page, you're also going to want to go and click this button right here. Wait, no, don't save that. But you're going to want to click that, and then it says client.ovpn. You're going to want to download that. The reason you're going to want to download that is to make sure your VPN works, and also it configures your program. So let's get out of here real quick and see. I've already got it downloaded right here, so I'm going to open this program And see, I don't have any profiles, so it doesn't do anything right now. You can't use this program without configuring it properly. So in order to do that on an iPad, you have to go to your files. Let's see. Files. Oh, no, not that. And then, okay, see right here where it says this one today? We click that. And then we'll go up to the share. And we click OpenVPN. And see, it's got these profiles here. And we're gonna add hot potato. And I'm gonna put the password in with it too, because I don't like typing that in all the time. And let's connect after import, try it out. And add. Alright, so now we are in the program. It's the OpenVPN program. We're just gonna go and click this little button right here. And as you can see, we are now connected. It's got my private IP, and then it's got the server's public IP. And we are now connecting through the UDP v4 protocol. Pretty cool. Let's see, what else is there? You can add other accounts onto it. Oh, and you can also go to Google Domains, if you have a domain, and all you have to do is set up the DNS with your IP address as like type A, and then you gotta put like a prefix before your domain. So like, you know, if your whatever website it was, you know, anything, yeah. So instead of using your IP address to go to this and to connect and everything, you can use your own. But anyways, now that we've got our stuff all running, I think we're good. Let's try it out real quick. Oh yeah, look, see? I am now in Columbus, Ohio. Pretty cool. And obviously you can set these up in different places. So if you wanted to have one in Ohio, that's cool. There's data centers all over, and it's pretty easy. Anyways, I don't know. Better to have your own VPN and have control. And you can always go explore the back end of it too on Termius. Termius is really cool. It's like the best. You can always do the coolest stuff on here. Yeah. Let's see. Well, hey guys, I'll tell you what, it's been super real. I hope you guys found some use in some of this. Hope you take your own personal data security take it seriously. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, peace out.